only way to free yourself and the other rappers here is to beat me in a rap battle. Mr. Beast! Person!
Welcome to your final test. I'm Mr. Beast. We can scrap the S, cause I've never missed a beat. You had to cut from honey under threat of a gun blast. When I had to cut from honey, that's another check that I'm gone. Cash, you're coming last. Number one is to me. The dub you have is hardly written to accomplish. Cause you bought the God position and became the best. But the consequences that you got to live with is you paid their debt. So to pay your debt, I applaud you getting into this game. You won't get rich. I'm like your mama, I'm dead sick. Then check the gaming channel. Millions of children watch it. How'd you win all that one kid, but not custody of one kid? Did you think you'd get it back with that lighter you bought her? You're playing tug of war with your ex, but the rope is your daughter. So stupid saying who showed you the light? You didn't go to SNU, that's right. If the task was less to get dashed out by your pal, you wouldn't make it through the night. When a feast, I don't need a suit and tie. Rapping with gold at the food I try. Other reward, then you will die. Save those subs for PewDiePie.
I don't know what you think I've done, but if we were to battle, I've already won. Ask us. You don't want to face off against me. I'll stuff you in a barrel and make a huge smoothie. Your sense of duty gets your group into some deep duty. Always getting saved by some samurai booty. I'm a kingpin, cooking crystal in the middle of the day. Having dinner by the pool with the DEA. When you're over with my Aztec GTA. If you ever try to stop Heisenberg getting paid, here's a hot dose. Let me watch you choke on the truth. You look up to me like I'm a pizza on the roof. You're a loser, a failure to your whole entire crew. I've seen Walter Jr. handle walkers better than you.
I just replaced all of you surviving friends with Legos.
Jimmy, there aren't any Legos.
For a critique on greed, it seems ironic. Your show sold out like it's stock from shopmrbeast.com, bitch.
Your monsters don't frighten, and you can bite me. I'll be standing right here in my tiny Walter Whiting. I'll bury you faster than your partner stole your whole life. No one saw Shane coming except for your wife.
Wake up!
You got that off your giant flabby chest. I'd call you donkey, but you look more like Shrek. When the Iron Man chef busts a rhyme, open up on you like a fine red wine. I'm a culinary innovator, you're no creator. Regurgitating French plates like a glorified translator. Fresh, you're past your expiration date. Alright, fuck it. Blue team, drop the bouillabaisse. Yeah, chef. I've seen your little show and it sure ain't pretty. One part Big Bird, two parts Miss Piggy. You can't test me with your fatty recipes. Call your book master in the art of heart disease. I mean, it's rubber. Yes, chef. Look at page 408. Tell me who the fuck wants to learn to cook calf brains? You call this our chef?